Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so here we are. My domain is up and running. You may need to wait a couple of hours, but it's really not that bad. I think it took about 2 hours. And here we are, and I'm going to show you how we're going to build your WordPress website. So you've gotten your domain, you've gotten your hosting, you've installed WordPress, and I'm going to show you how to log in and actually build the website now. So you'll go into your AfriHost dashboard and you'll click on hosting once you've logged in. And then you're going to go to the domain that you've just installed. You're going to go to Website Manager and you're going to log into Website Manager. Okay, you're going to click on that and then it's going to open up your cPanel. And then you go to your WordPress Manager and you can click on Login and it will take you to the actual web page, which is where we are now. Okay. When you go to the dashboard, it will look like this. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. And I'm going to teach you how to build your website. I prefer to build them from scratch. There are themes you can use, but I just prefer to build the websites from scratch. I think it's easier. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So first and foremost on your dashboard, you're going to scroll down to Appearance and you're going to go to Themes. Okay. Just make sure you click on that. Okay, and now it's going to have your current themes, but you want to add a new theme. And one of the nicest themes that I think is out there is called Woostify. So we're going to search for Woostify and we're going to install it. Once you've installed it, you're going to activate it. Okay. Now you're going to go down to plugins and you're going to say add a new plugin. Okay. And we're going to start installing plugins. And some of the plugins that I'm going to install is Elementor. I love Elementor, guys. If you don't know how it's a builder that you use, I love it. It's great. It works wonderfully. And this is for your e-commerce site. Okay? So you're going to need WooCommerce and Elementor. Okay, then put in the Wonder Slider Lite. Install that. Okay, now, once you've installed them, I generally prefer to sort of like install them all and then come here and activate them all at one time. But I'm just quickly going to activate them here. Okay, when you start with WooCommerce, right, you're going to set up your store. I'm just starting my business. I think I normally just put it as other. It's just easier if you don't see it there. And we're going to install those plugins. Okay, this is WooCommerce. And then when we go to Elementor, it's going to ask you to do the same thing, but I'm just going to take you through it. Okay, it's just busy installing some more plugins, so we're going to let it go there. Okay, and you can obviously choose a username and you can choose a username and a password. So we're going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to let you do that quickly and then we'll come back to the next step. Okay, so once you have created your username and put in your email address and created a password, it's going to go back to creating a, it's going to carry on with the process. So it's going to continue. So you're just going to let it finish installing the plugins and doing what it needs to do. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Let's just see what it does here. It says connecting your account, so it will carry on with that. Hey guys, I'm going to be back. I just quickly want to sort this out and I'll be back in a second. But it shouldn't give you a problem. It should let you just go ahead with it. Okay, I exited out of there. So we're back on our dashboard, but I want to go back to plugins, installed plugins. Okay, we can set these up later. I'll take you through. And I'm going to go to Elementor. And I'm going to go out of there for now. I'm not going to go in there right now. Okay. You can go and just open up an account there if you've never had one before. I'm just going to use an existing account. All right, so we're going to go back to our plugins on our dashboard and we're going to go to add new plugins, okay? So let's have a look there. I'm going to install Fluent Forms. Just remember to activate. Okay, there you can see, got Google listings. This one I don't actually want there. So take mail poach out. Okay, I'm going to take mail poach out because we don't use mail poach, although it automatically just installs it, but we don't need it. Okay, so we're going to take that out. So we've got WooCommerce, Wonderslider Lite, Pinterest for WooCommerce, Google listings and ads, Fluent Forms, Elementor. The next one that I want to do is Brevo. We need to go here to add new plugins. Sorry. So it will be Brevo. And when you install Brevo and HubSpot, go and open up an account. But I'll show you how to do that. I'll do that in a separate video. Okay, and then we're going to do HubSpot. And then we're going to do some Yay Mail. We're going to install these two, Yay Mail WooCommerce Email Customizer and Yay Mail SMTP Mail. So we're going to install that as well. Okay, I'm trying to think of all of the other plugins we will be needing. I just want to put here Google Analytics, because we're going to be putting that in a separate. Okay, install the site kit. Just want to look here as well. Install that one as well. The GA Google Analytics. It's very important. We're going to be using it later. And then we need another one called SEMrush. There are going to be quite a few videos, guys. Okay, I'm going to do them in little modules. I'm not going to do them. I'm not going to do them all at once because it's going to be too overwhelming for you. So we're going to break it down. So okay, we're going to come back to that one. Okay, now I'm not finding it, but no worries, we will find it. Okay, so let's go back to our plugins. We'll come back to them, don't stress. Installed plugins. Okay, now you're going to go back here, right? And then all of the ones that we've just installed, you can see that they are have a white background. So you're just going to click on all of those. Okay. And we are going to do bulk actions. We're going to say activate and apply. And what it's going to do is it's going to activate all of the plugins so that they're ready to go. Okay, I'm not going to do all of these right here and right now because I'm going to do separate videos on how to do all of this. Okay. So I just basically wanted to show you in this one how to, install your theme and how to install your plugins. Let me think what else there is. I think that's about it for now. We're going to go through these one by one where I'm actually going to help you install this. So we are going to, well, while we're here, let's create a HubSpot account. So no, okay, we're going to come back to that. I don't want to do that. So this is virtually just, like I said, this is basically just installing your theme and installing your plugins and activating them. Okay. So if we go back to our plugins and you click on installed plugins, you'll see them here, and they're all active. You can see here, all of them are active. I'm just thinking if there's any more plugins that we literally need to install that we haven't installed. Okay, I think that's it for now. I'm going to stop this video and we will move on to the next one. I will start showing you how to build the website next. Thanks for joining, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.